Everybody, we are in Greenville, South Carolina. We're here at Methodical Coffee, and we're here to talk about sustainability with Sam Muller. Now, you might have heard before that Sam commutes to work on his bike pretty much every day. So, we're going to join him on that bike ride. We're going to take a look at why Greenville's cool. We're going to get some of the best coffee you're going to get anywhere. And if you're thinking about joining an environmental consulting, engineering, health and safety firm, maybe HRP is a place for you. Let's go take a ride and find out. All right, let's go talk to Sam.
So we're here at the Commons today, which is in Unity Park. The Commons is a cool kind of a public-private partnership here in Unity Park. This park just opened last year. The Commons has been open a little bit longer, but if you were here 5 or 6 years ago, this all looked very different. This was just abandoned land. It was post-industrial landscape. This old mill building here was abandoned. Nobody was using it, and there had been a plan to build this park for over 100 years, and it took a lot of political initiative to make it happen, but now here we are.
Yeah. A former Brownfields site.
That's right.
And we are sustainably biking our way to another former Brownfields site.
That's right.
You know, Greenville really kind of embodies the promise of like revitalization and sustainability and what a community could be.
Yeah, absolutely. And with the Swamp Rabbit Trail passing right through here, this is people from all over the city have access to this on foot or by bicycle. It's great to see folks coming out and using the park. Coming in any way but a car.
Exactly, yep. So we've had a previous sustainability conversation with Sam about his bike commute into work. So make sure to check that out. We'll have it linked below. But I think for now, we can finish up our coffees and get on the trail.
Sounds great.
Show you guys what it looks like out there. All right, see you there.
Cool.
Ooh, that's the bell.
Across this bridge here.
Okay.
A little wet. Watch, it might be slick. Did some river restoration here. This is an artificial channel here, actually.
Yeah?
The real river channel is way over on the other side of the park, but they like opened it up, made it a little wider to slow down stormwater, and took out invasive plants, put in a bunch of flowers. The next part's going to be where it's sweet to have an e-bike.
Okay.
Big hill. That thing's just a little creaky, huh?
Hey, first ride of the day, I'm a little creaky too, right?
Yeah, still waiting for my coffee to kick in all the way.
Surprised there's no docks at Judson.
Yeah, you know, I'm not sure what that's all about. I don't know if it's, so Judson's actually in the county, it's outside of the city.
Oh.
So I'm not sure if it's like, I know the city had a thing with those bike rentals. There will eventually be a spur of the Swamp Rabbit. We'll go left here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there'll be a spur of the Swamp Rabbit to Judson eventually, but there's some landowner concerns to deal with before they can make that happen. Man, nice fresh pavement, feels good.
Yeah.
We're gonna go straight across here. All right, I think we're good.
Let's do it.
Yeah, there's big plans to expand the swamp rabbit in at least 3 or 4 new directions in the next few years. Make it more of a web of trails, because right now there's a couple small spurs. There's one spur that's like 5 miles long, but most of it's just the main trail from Greenville up to Traveler's Rest. All right, we'll hang a left here. Car right there. We'll let them come by. Alright. We'll turn right here.
Oh, gotcha.
Sorry.
For some reason, I thought that was Judson right there.
That is Plush Mills. I think they made pillows there.
Okay.
And now it's a co-working and event type space. Left turn here. One of the last active mills in Greenville is right over there. Yeah, one of the last textile mills actually operating as a textile mill. Not as mixed use apartments and stuff.
What do you think our chances are of seeing some stray cats?
There were a couple that were cruising around Judson. And I think someone adopted them. I met this lady who'd been taking care of them, giving them flea meds and feeding them and all that. I don't think they come outside much anymore.
Gotcha. Probably for the best.
They were some sweet kitties though. Not surprised they got adopted. And this is the last phase of it all over here.
Yeah.
I don't know when they're gonna work on that.
It's a pretty cool view that you can kind of see the from partial rebuild, partial abandoned to like fully reuse and ready to go.
Yeah, it's wild. I mean, I drove by this for years and like hardly ever even knew it was up here. It's hard to see it from the road out there. And I mean, not much to see at a closed textile mill. I got really lucky with where I chose to buy my house because I had no idea the office was going to be this close for me.
Right.
I got really lucky there. In the original plan, I would not have been this close, but it worked out really well.
Hey, Margo.
All right, we've arrived.
Good ride. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining us on this ride. Sam, thanks for letting me come along today.
Thanks for giving me some company.
Absolutely. All right, guys, if you like Greenville, if you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe for more. Check out our job listings for the Greenville office and stay tuned for more conversations about sustainability and about what a cool place this is to work.
That's right.
All right. See you, everybody. Bye.